I think the important thing to remember is it's a progression. Nothing happens overnight. So if you're on a journey where you want to get healthier, you want to lose weight, you want to get fitter, you can't expect to get big results in a month or even 6 months. It's going to take time, because if you consider the amount of time it took to get you to a certain point of unhealthiness, how long is it going to take you to get healthy again? But every small step that you make towards becoming healthier makes the next step easier, and then the next step easier, and the next step easier. With exercise, obviously there are extremes of exercise, and lots of people get addicted to it, which is possible because it releases endorphins and you feel so good, and it's easy to get into a cycle where it becomes a bad thing if you're doing it too much. So you've got to be sure that you're doing it for the right reasons, and that's to be healthy and fit. But there's always that little side chance that you're going to exchange one bad addiction, for example overeating, to over-exercising, which can also have negative effects. So it's all about balance, really.